What's up guys, mostly aviation here, and today I'll be reviewing this Cebu Pacific Airbus A321neo 1/400 scale by Gemini jets, and this model is the newest aircraft of Cebu Pacific's fleet. I got this for 1,800 Philippine pesos, and here's the box, which has the interesting Cebu Pacific Gemini jets box. As we all know that all Cebu Pacific models made by Gemini jets has this kind of box with a blue transition to white. Here's the digital photo, 1/400 scale Cebu Pacific. Here are the sides of the box, it's the same thing. Here's the top, which has the warning in the box here, the same thing also. And then here's the back, which has the digital photo, and here we have the made in China. So now let's unbox it. So as you can see, we have the Gemini Jets blue tray for its packaging. Here's the model. So there's the first look of the model. Now let's look at the nose. So here's the front part of the model. As you can see, we have the cockpit windows. We have some windshield wipers here also. As you can see here, we have the Philippine flag on each side. Here we also have the static ports on each side also. And here we have the radome. And then here we have the nose gear. And then the antenna on top. Now let's take a look on the engines, which I'm quite disappointed on what they did in the engines here, because I think they forgot to put paint here, metallic paint. Let me turn on the flashlight so you can see that better. See, it doesn't look that good. Wait, let me show you my Philippine Airlines A321neo. Let's compare them to the engines here. So as you can clearly see, that this one is darker and this one is lighter. I like this one better because this one just looks like plastic that just has been put in on here. I think they forgot to put metallic paint over here, so I like this engine better than this. And yeah, they still have those green lining here to know it's an A321neo. So as you can see here, we also have the sharklet here. Now let's take a look on the left side of the model. So again, you can see the cockpit windows and basically the front. Here we have some pilot tubes. Here we have the L1 door, antenna here. Here we have the nose gear, which has the two last digits of the registration, which is 1 and 8. Here I think we have more static ports and pilot tubes. Here we have an emergency exit cutout. And then here we have the blue Cebu Pacific titles. And here we have the yellow color going across the fuselage. Here as you can see, we have the big engines. We have some detail here also. And here we have the I would call this the split type exit door, because we have other A321neos. Let's focus here. They don't have those split type windows. I mean emergency exits. If it focuses here on the Philippine Airlines one. As you can see, we have 4 doors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this type of A321neo only has 3 doors, and then this has the double exit. So as you can see here, we have the yellow sharklet, and we have the landing gear over here. Moving on, we have the L3 door, and antenna over here. We have another emergency cutout, and going out the back, we have the Philippine Eagle, and then here we have the L4 door, L3 door, if I'm correct. And then here we have the registration, which says Romeo Papa Charlie 4118. And here's the tail, which has the Cebu Pacific design on, and then the horizontal stabilizers. Now let's take a look on the back view of the model. So here's the back view. As you can see here, we have the APU, and yeah, going on the right side is the same thing, but this time we have the cargo doors. Here's the front cargo door, which is nicely detailed. Then here's the back cargo door over here. Now let's take a look on the top part of the model. So again, here you can see the cockpit windows. Here we have the doors here, and then here we have the antenna. We have more details over here. Moving on, we could see in each side the Cebu Pacific titles. Yeah. Here we have the beacon light. Then we have, I think, is a Wi-Fi box. Moving on to the back, very nice and colorful. Here we have an antenna, another antenna here, and I really love the back here because it's so colorful. It has the green, yellow, and blue colors over here. Here's the top of the horizontal stabilizers, and then yeah, there's the APU at the back over here. Now let's take a look on the top of the wings, which has the registration. We have something written here: do not walk in this area over here, which is nicely detailed. Here we also have the overwing exit markings on each side of the wing. Here's the top part of the left side of the wing over here. Yeah. Now let's take a look on the bottom of the model. So here, as you can see, we have the nose gear doors, and then a lot of details over here, which is very nice. Here, so we have the nose landing gear, which does roll. Moving on, we have the Cebu Pacific titles on the bottom of the plane, and we have the hole for the stand. More details here also, which is very nice. We don't have any landing gear doors, and the landing gears does roll. So yeah, there's the beacon light over here. Going on the back, we have again the colorful colors over here, which is nice. Here we could see the details of the cargo doors, and here we have the doors for the APU. Here's the back view of the horizontal stabilizers, and here's the back view of the wings, the engine. This one is the registration. So yeah, that's what it has about the model here. And what I also learned about this Cebu Pacific, that it's actually the oldest budget airline in Asia, which is very, very nice, very interesting also. I just learned that a month ago, that Cebu Pacific is the oldest budget airline in Asia. So we have Philippine Airlines as the oldest airline in Asia, and then Cebu Pacific as the oldest budget airline in Asia. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.